Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a video about the YouTube hashtags. It's been a while. YouTube has launched the hashtag feature for YouTube videos, and people are experimenting with this feature, and in this video I'm going to talk about my personal opinion and how you can use this hashtag to your advantage to grow your YouTube channel. So let's get started. If you guys are new to our channel, please make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do a lot of videos about cooking, reviews for various tech, tutorials, and how to grow your YouTube channel. So let's get started. I'm gonna take one of my personal video as an example to show you how the hashtags look. So there are two ways of adding hashtag. So primarily hashtag is a meta tag which you can add in any content which the word finding robots can identify that tag, and it's just easier for that word robot to rule out and find that particular search term. So it's a search term, but we will be using this in title and description of the YouTube videos. So YouTube has allowed 3 hashtags only. If you want to read further details about the hashtag, I will link this in the description down below, where you can read the policy for hashtags. But primarily what you want to know is hashtags should not have any space, and try not to use misleading content. You pretty much put the hashtag relating to your content, and if it's like a 2-word or a long word, you just have to eliminate spaces. And there are 2 ways to add hashtag. You can add hashtag in title and in the description. Once you add it in the description, here's how it's gonna look. It is gonna come up on top of the YouTube title. If for some reason you were to add hashtag in the title itself, then instead of here, the hashtags will appear beside the title, and no matter where you add, the hashtags will be clickable. Alright, so this is a general idea about YouTube hashtags. Now I'm gonna talk about the implications of YouTube hashtags. So I'm also gonna show it to you in real time as well. So what this hashtag does is YouTube has launched this to filter the content. So if you add a hashtag, in my case I have added hashtag, you can see Fitbit Versa, Fitbit, and Fitbit Versa notification. So when I click on one of the hashtag, it's gonna take me to another page where YouTube is gonna show my viewers some relevant content which may not be from my channel. So then the question is, how can you get advantage from this YouTube hashtag? Or some people might even say that this YouTube hashtags are actually driving your viewers to other channel, which is sort of true. That's why YouTube has launched this as well, so everyone can grow on YouTube. But I have figured out a way to use this hashtag to your advantage, to show your content more on top of others' content too. So I'm gonna give you a really quick example over here. Now this is my most viewed video on YouTube out of all my 73 videos. This video has almost 46,000 views, probably more to come depending on the time you're watching this video. But I have added these 3 keywords or hashtags pretty much on all my Fitbit Versa videos, and I have been consistent with this hashtags. What I do is the first and the second hashtags are same for all the Fitbit Versa video. I just changed the third hashtag pretty much relevant to my video. So in this case it's Fitbit Versa notification. Since the first 2 are just same for all the videos, that means all the video, I have pretty much almost 35 videos at this point for Fitbit Versa, and all of them have this tag in the description. I personally don't like to use the tags in my title. I like it to be on top so that my title stands out. But when you click on to one of these, I'll try with the first one, which is Fitbit Versa. So when I click onto it, it's gonna take me to another page where there are two sections. Now the top section, if you can see, is top videos, where YouTube is gonna display top videos for this particular term, which is Fitbit Versa. Now somehow my video is top on this keyword, and that's why it's coming in the top video. So I am driving my viewers to the top videos with this particular hashtag on all of my video, and they will still see this video. So pretty much if they click on to this hashtag, they'll be taken here and they will still see this video right there, and that way I can take advantage for the first hashtag. Now the second thing is, which is more important, which is the latest video. Now here comes the real deal, which you can use to your advantage to keep your content up to date, or your viewer to see your content as well. So what happens is, for this particular keyword or hashtag, whoever puts the video comes up right away. So these are pretty much you can see right here, these are related videos, but as I said, you can see my name here, my channel's name, Vidya Pitroda, then Vidya Pitroda, and you can see like there are a lot of my videos. And if a viewer were to go on to this hashtag, they will be still viewing my videos on top of other videos too, but highly likely my videos, because here's what I do to use this to my advantage. As I said earlier too, I just add this 3 hashtags, the first 2 hashtags consistently to all my videos, and I just change the 3rd hashtag relevant to the content. So you can see there are a lot of my videos right here, because I keep posting content regularly. So we'll revise once again. You can use the hashtag feature to your advantage if you consistently post relevant content to those hashtags and use the same hashtag for all the videos except one, so that your video comes up on the latest video. Chances are you may not see your video in the top video. So if I open the hashtag Fitbit, so you can see in the hashtag Fitbit, none of my video is on the top video. Maybe if I click here, then I might see my video, and there you go. So on the top 7 videos I can see my video, but the rest are other people's videos. So that's again I can see oh, okay. And if I go for that keyword in the latest video, then I'm gonna see a lot of my videos, this one, then this one, and pretty much because I keep posting content about Fitbit Versa regularly on the channel, so I in the latest video there, I'm pretty sure there will be my videos as well for this particular hashtag. Now certain things I want you guys to know, that the hashtag will actually not work for you if you're not doing these things which I'm gonna talk now. So let's say for example, if you are doing video about something famous, let's consider Tesla, for example, just for example. So if you are putting keyword Tesla, that's a big keyword, or any other, let's say YouTube. If you're doing videos about YouTube, there will be a lot of videos about YouTube already, and if you are just starting out, then you may not get benefit by using these keywords, because your videos are not on the top videos. So no matter what hashtag you put, your video won't come up on the top video. And B, if let's say for any reason you're posting content once a month or maybe once every 2 months, then these hashtags are not gonna work for you, because your video will not come up in the latest video as well, just like over here. So if you can see the latest video, if you're posting regularly, I just posted this 14 hours ago and that's why it's coming up over here. Let's say if I were to post this video maybe 2 months ago, then this won't be over here because it's gonna scrutinize the latest video and post it over here. So I really hope you hope this makes sense to you. So in short, YouTube hashtags are good. They are primarily to drive your viewers to some others content, but you can use it to your advantage. If you are posting content regularly and using the same hashtag, at least 2 hashtags for all of your same content videos so that it comes up on the latest video. And B, if you have videos for that particular keyword on top of the search list, then it will be to your advantage. But if you are someone who are starting out, maybe you don't want to use the hashtag and you want to hold off until your channel gets popularity and then go ahead and edit every video and add hashtags pretty much more relevant to your content, so that way you can use this to your advantage. So I really hope you guys like this video and this video makes sense and it helps you to grow your channel as well. I'm just gonna do a quick kind of search for you guys. So this particular hashtag, we saw that my video was on the top and it came up. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the hashtag and try to search for this video and see if my video comes up. So if I just search for Fitbit Versa, then my video is not coming up until a couple of videos later, but I still get my videos over there. Now YouTube algorithm works differently. I'm searching from my account, that's why this is coming later on, but if it's a new search, then maybe my video would come up on top for this video. But I really don't know how YouTube algorithm works. But as I discussed in this video, you can actually use the hashtag feature to your advantage. So please give this video a thumbs up if you feel that this video helped you. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel because I'm gonna put more content to help your channel grow. And if you have any questions, please leave me that question in the comment down below and share this video as much as you can. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.